Guys, you didn't make me feel
Oh, is it? We're going to do a karaoke.
as
Who's your helper?
well.
Oh, okay. What do we need?
This
What is that? That's a glutinous rice. What are you going to do? Now you have to mix it and add some water.
is more.
No, just like that. Yeah. We're going to add some water slowly. Okay.
It's more. I need some more. Need the otter.
It's like a yogurt now. Ewy. What are you going to do next?
Baby bear.
Hey, you're giving to give it to Belle. No, it's you first, not Baby Belle. Okay.
But this is small one.
Oh, take another more. Yeah, add more. Make it like a perfect circle. Okay.
Baby bear. Baby bear. I didn't do it.
Oh, okay. Oh, I guess that's perfect enough. Make it circle. Oh, that's how you do it. Perfect. Let me see what you're doing. Oh, what are you going to do then? You're going to roll it, and squeeze it. This is the first product you did. You're doing good. Awesome. Oh, next. Oh, there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we'll be back pag tapos na lahat, okay? Baby Belle is doing it too. See? Oh, nice. Well, yeah, there we go.
How about baby bear?
Baby Belle is doing.
Baby bear. You go first. Baby bear started.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
It's so small. Super small. Baby bear made a super small one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm baby bear.
Thank you, Baby Belle. And Mirabella can do the rest, right? There you go. That's a lot, Ella. Good job. Oh. Okay. Okay, Ella, what's next?
You done and you did the fried salad.
Wow, that looks good. Okay, we'll fry it. Daddy will fry it. Next, we have to fry it. You have to pick everyone with a pick.
Put it there, Ma. I have to put it there. Me. I have to put this sheet. The eyeball bus.
Add brown sugar and water. And you can just put it there. What are you doing? Oh no. What is that?
Chocolate.
Oh, that's not chocolate. That's Nutella, anak. Oh. Okay, so bilo-bilo is done. Okay. Ella. Bilo-bilo is done.
Yay!
You ready to eat it? Okay. Say bye-bye.